This is the world's most advanced terahertz light wave therapy device today. You're looking into 3 devices. We have the basic, the classic, the mid-range, which is the premium, and the pro device. Now, let me start again with the disclaimer. This is very important. This is a household electrical equipment. It is safe to use, and anything about your medical concern, go back to your doctor. Now, again, this is not an FDA medical equipment. Me as a speaker, I don't give any medical advice. I'm simply a researcher, a speaker, and I show you the science of this amazing technology. And the science will answer it all, also based upon results and data. So again, I'll talk about science. This is not medical. And anything about your health concern, please go to the professionals.
Good day, everyone. Today, I am here to introduce to all of you a revolutionary device that has the groundbreaking terahertz technology built into it. This terahertz device is going to change the lives of many people and change the way of each and everyone's health. Introducing to you the iTeraCare Health Physiotherapy device. This iTeraCare device will help to treat and improve on any health problems that the patient is suffering. It is one of the top 10 most advanced technologies to change the world's lifestyle. This technology is not new, but many countries refuse to develop it. Now, China has developed this technology into a health device. The research and development was done by the Beijing Institute of Science and Technology, and once, after extensive testing, they have appointed Deshang to manufacture this unit. Deshang is the only official manufacturer in the world. Ancient Greek father of medicine said, "If there is a way to heat the bones, then all diseases can be treated." The great scientist Albert Einstein predicted that the future of medicine will be the medicine of frequencies. Now both have become true, as our device produces heat and frequency waves. The future of medicine is now. What is terahertz? Terahertz is an electromagnetic wave band between microwave and infrared frequencies, consisting of 30 micrometer to 3000 micrometer frequency. The device resonates the same frequency as normal cells in our body, which is 2 terahertz to 17 terahertz, generating millions of vibrations per second into our cells in our body. It is a unique combination of Chinese and Western cytology technology. As I mentioned earlier, it is among the top 10 most advanced technology to change the world in health, science, military, agriculture, and communication. The terahertz wave is between 3 mm to 30 microns. Milestones of manufacturer. 2010, development of terahertz device by Beijing Institute of Science and Technology. 2015, Deshang Technology is founded in May 2015. 2015, first generation model is produced. 2017, launch of second generation terahertz device. 2019, launch of third generation terahertz device. 2021, launch of iNetwork iTeraCare terahertz device. The 5 features of iTeraCare. Number 1, safety. Number 2, penetration. Number 3, identification. Number 4, activation. Number 5, user-friendly. Safety. The iTeraCare device is certified, renowned, and patented by the Chinese Academy of Science and Technology and Sinochem. This device can be safely used on any person, including infants, without contraindication. Penetration. The iTeraCare device can penetrate our flesh up to 30 centimeters into our body, thus reaching even to the bone marrow, microblood vessels, and capillaries. It further enhances microblood circulation and helps eliminate water retention in our body. Identification. iTeraCare strengthens healthy cells and repairs damaged cells simultaneously, expelling unhealthy cells. It clears blocked passages and vessels. It also detoxifies all cells in the body. Activation. iTeraCare regulates the body temperature and improves the immunity system by activating the weak and inactive cells. Once the weak cells are activated, the cells perform to its true potential, along with the improved blood flow in our body system. User-friendly. It is easy to operate, no professional skills required, as anybody can operate this iTeraCare device. Just blow on the affected areas. 8 steps to better health. Number 1. Eliminating unhealthy cells. iTeraCare frequency energy is the same level with our normal cells in our body. The energy will eliminate all abnormal or mutated cells when being absorbed by the terahertz frequency. Number 2. Activate inert cells. iTeraCare frequency will absorb and activate cells with moderate temperature, thus eliminating dormant cells. Number 3. Increase self-healing. iTeraCare frequency has the same level of resonance with our normal cells in our body. It induces and strengthens DNA and organic molecules, whereby it enhances self-repairing of our body cells. Number 4. Clearing of meridians and lymphs. iTeraCare frequency unblocks meridian points in our body. It stimulates acupuncture points, purifies blood, and regulates blood flow in our vessels and increases metabolism rate in our body. When metabolism rate is increased, our body functions 20 to 30 years younger. Number 5. Improves microcirculation. iTeraCare frequency and wavelength dilates blood vessels. It also reduces blood flow resistance and viscosity. It totally improves microcirculation. This is very important, as once our blood flow is regulated, our overall health will improve tremendously. Number 6. Regulating glands. iTeraCare regulates endocrine glands and protects our organs. The endocrine system plays a major role in our whole body system. It sends out hormones into our blood system to balance our body system. Number 7. Removes water retention. iTeraCare clears unhealthy moisture. Our body is made up of 70% water, and if this moisture increases, we would have aches and pains and swelling in our feet, which is called water retention. By removing the extra moisture, iTeraCare will balance up our immunity system. Number 8. Improves normal blood circulation. It clears blood impurities as daily impurities form in our body. It cleanses inner body cells and blood. It promotes and improves total blood circulation in our body and removes and eliminates blood clots. It also softens blood vessels and lumps. iTeraCare is suitable for iTeraCare can be used on your heart if you have heart diseases, blockages in arteries, cholesterol buildup in arteries, etc. It can be used on your kidneys if you have kidney disease or kidney stones. It can be used on the liver area for liver diseases such as hepatitis A, B, and C, fatty liver, and cancer. It can be used on the pancreas for people with diabetes, cystic fibrosis, and pancreatic cancer. It can be used for eye problems such as cataract, glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, red eyes, etc. It can be used for neck problems such as upper cervical spine disorders, spina bifida, etc. It can be used for back problems such as disc herniations, spinal instability, disc or bone infections, cauda equina syndrome, etc. It can be used on shoulder problems such as rotator cuff injury, frozen shoulder, etc. It can be used on prostate problems. It is really effective on the prostate. It will ease the pain eventually. It can be used on normal to severe knee problems. Just treat the area twice daily and your pain will be resolved within 10 days. It can be used on ankle problems. Just treat the affected area twice daily for 10 days. Your ankle will feel much better. Please treat daily at the bottom of the feet for blood circulation. Blow the area clockwise for 10 minutes on each foot daily. Your blood will start circulating normally. The advantages of iTeraCare health device. The manufacturer is constantly researching and upgrading the iTeraCare device. iTeraCare is based on the 3-in-1 core technology. A. Terahertz technology. B. Quantum technology. C. Optical quartz technology. It has passed stringent tests and inspection by the national authorities for its safety and effectiveness. iTeraCare has numerous test reports from the Chinese Academy of Sciences for the physical therapy effectiveness. Quality assurance, as it is certified for a 1-year warranty. iTeraCare is nationally renowned, certified, and it is a patented product.
Now, showing you some testimonies today. And again, this is not gimmick, Photoshop. This is not to convince you so you can buy the iTeraCare. This is to show to you that this device has changed and has helped a lot of people all over the world. Let me show you with this first one. Now, this is Mr. Sheikh Dr. Ismail Qasim Al-Fakir Ilala. He is a eminence, means he is really honored as one of the top, like a pope in the Muslim community. He is featured in the Time magazine, all right? He has a lot of global influence. He has a lot of followers, millions of them all over the world. He's met with presidents, prime ministers all over the world. As you can see, this man is highly respected in his field as a spiritual guru, as an imam in the Muslim community. Now, but he has a problem. His leg has this really painful problem. He's unable to walk. And the doctor said, we're going to cut this. We're going to amputate this because it's eating your flesh. Now, someone somewhere posted the iTeraCare in the social media and his secretary found it. So he contacted them. In other words, they were able to experience iTeraCare. They've done the first demonstration. Now, this first therapy, as you can see, a box of tissue was finished because the liquid, the fluid from that leg started to gush out like a faucet, you know. They have to dry it out. When they started blowing this liquid, the pus started to be removed. And guess what happens? It felt so good. After few therapies and several therapies, he got better. Look at his leg, got better. The wounds healed, the wounds closed, the pus was removed, and he was able to walk better. Because of that, he asked to meet the owner of the company, Dr. Stephen Lai. And he said, can you appoint me as a global product ambassador? The owner of the company, Private International, immediately signed the contract, making him the global product ambassador. Now, and from that day on, he started sharing this iTeraCare to all his followers all over the world. Amazing. He's like the evangelist of the iTeraCare. And in fact, he gave his testimony during the first year anniversary in Malaysia. That was last Sunday. Oh my gosh, we were so blessed. This guy is on fire, even with his age. And he shares this to all over the world, to his followers. And the finale was, he lifted the iTeraCare to one of the biggest mosques. And he said, this iTeraCare is a gift from God. For him to say that, that is something, guys. That is something for us to look into. All right. Severe pain on the leg and the back that is suffered by this lady for over 4 years. This lady was in pain. And in fact, his knee, they have this fluid in the knee that when they extract this fluid, it's almost a half full. All right. And it makes this very inconvenient, so painful. They have to spend so much money to do surgery. As you can see, when she sits down, she's in pain. When she gets up on bed, she's in pain. That pain has been going on for 4 years. And someone introduced the iTeraCare. And after just using the iTeraCare for 10 days, look at her. She's walking so like, oh my gosh, this put me into tears because I know this lady. And today, she is an active distributor of the iTeraCare and sharing this to all his family and friends all over the world. Amazing result. We've got hair color and growth. If you're asking regeneration of cells, here you go. The hair that's white turned black after 2 months of using the iTeraCare. And we've got here bone cartilage growth, regrowth. This is an x-ray taken by the doctor. As you can see, there is a bone to bone, all right, before using the iTeraCare. And after using the iTeraCare for 6 weeks, I was also surprised that the cartilage grew back. Wow, this is in 6 weeks. This is to show to you that the frequency can regenerate those cells back again for growth and for healing. That is amazing. We got rheumatoid arthritis, guys. This lady is unable to close and open her hands, but after 15 minutes of using the iTeraCare, she's able to open and close her hands. Varicose veins in just 2 months, gone using the iTeraCare device. Isn't that amazing?